Welcome back. I'm Erika Armendariz. Let's talk about how important it is to accommodate special dietary needs in our district, because every child deserves a meal that works for them. Throughout our district, there are some students who have allergies or medical conditions and must eat special prepared meals. Special dietary accommodations at Las Cruces Public Schools are handled on a case-by-case basis, because every student's medical or dietary need is unique. According to the CDC, there was an 18% increase in the incidence of food allergy among children under 18 between 1997 and 2007 in the United States. Here at LCPS, we accommodate around 780 students, ranging from food intolerances to life-threatening food allergies. To ensure student safety and compliance with federal and state regulations, schools review each request individually. This process typically includes medical documentation from a licensed healthcare provider and collaboration between families, school nurse, and the school nutrition team. By evaluating each situation separately, schools can provide appropriate accommodations while maintaining food safety, preventing cross-contact, and ensuring meals meet nutrition. This individualized approach helps ensure that every student receives a safe, suitable meal that supports their health and learning. Joining us today in the test kitchen, we have Adela, our kitchen manager from Lynn. She will demonstrate to us how she will go through the process of making us some gluten-free muffins.
We put the first things as the banana, egg, and butter.
About how many students would you say you have in your school that you make these accommodations for?
We have two students, and they love the banana muffins and chocolate muffins.
The one thing about Las Cruces Public Schools and being able to make the scratch-made meals is that we are able to make those accommodations in the kitchen with our kitchen managers being trained here in the test kitchen, and then having the students, of course, fall in love with the food items that we're serving them.
It's perfect to put in the cups. Time to put in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit.
Those look great, Adela.
Thank you.
We will continue to serve the ever-expanding needs of special dietary needs in our district.
Sandwich or quesadilla, Brent?
Sandwich.
Here at LCPS, we recognize the hard work of our school nutrition professionals as heroes, with preparation of meals, serving lines, talking about food portions, and offering smiles.
It was the kids that really just kind of boosted all of us. They're always making little gifts, little comments. They like to joke around, come through the line. That's really what makes our day. I know the staff get super happy when they call out their name, when they say thank you for the lunch, thank you for a warm meal.
Thank you so much, Hero!
Thank you for supporting our efforts in promoting lifelong nutrition and fitness practices. Join us next time to see how we prepare and transition to summer meals and more. We'll leave you with scenes from the additional footage of School Lunch Heroes.